Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another fixing video. Today or yesterday we are facing some problem that page isn't available right now in Instagram. So how can you fix this? Okay, so this is temporary issue, so that's why you can solve this problem through one process. So you should download Instagram old version. So when you click on Instagram old version, then you will get some website. So click the first one or second one. So I'm just gonna click the first one, and then you'll get here many Instagram versions. So scroll down, then you will see like 2022 or 2023, this one. So you should download Instagram account. It's like here update date 15 November 2020. Or if you want to get more older, then you can scroll down, then you will see August. So you should download Instagram older version 2021 or 2022, and then just log in like normally you log in, and it will be solved. So this is temporary issue, so it will be solved very soon. So till then you should use this one. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching this video.